Before we start, let me ask you something. How many times have you wished your home could feel more relaxing, more organized, and easier to manage? A home where everything feels smoother, cleaner, smarter, and more comforting. Well, today, I'm sharing the top 5 home tech gadgets women absolutely love. And honestly, once you try these, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because I bring you the best tech, smart gadgets, and lifestyle upgrades every single week. And as always, all the product links are added at the beginning of the description if you want to check them out. Now let's get started with number 1. Number 1, the Smart Aroma Diffuser and Humidifier. This is easily one of the most popular home gadgets among women because it completely transforms the atmosphere of a room. It combines relaxing essential oil diffusion, soft LED mood lighting, and a quiet humidifier into one compact device. You can set it to warm tones, cool tones, or slow color transitions depending on your mood. After a long workday or a stressful evening, turning this on makes your home feel peaceful almost immediately. It helps with sleep, helps with stress, and gives your room a spa-like feeling. Women love it because it makes any space feel warm, cozy, and welcoming without spending a lot of money. And the best part is, these devices run quietly and safely with automatic shutoff and timers, so you don't have to worry about anything. Number 2, the Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This one is a game changer for anyone who wants a clean home without spending hours doing housework. A robot vacuum automatically sweeps, vacuums, and even returns to its charging dock when it's done. It works on carpet, tile, wood floors, and it detects obstacles like chairs or walls. Women love this gadget because it saves so much time and effort. Instead of sweeping every day, you just schedule the robot to clean while you're working, cooking, or even sleeping. It keeps the home tidy 24/7 and reduces stress, especially for people with kids or pets. And honestly, once you use a robot vacuum, you never want to go back to manual cleaning again. Number 3, the portable USB blender. This is one of the best small appliances for women who care about health, beauty, or fitness. It's perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, iced coffee mixes, fruit drinks, and even baby food. Women love it because it's wireless, lightweight, easy to carry in a handbag, and super easy to clean. It's quiet enough to use in an office or workplace, and powerful enough to blend ice and frozen fruit. For busy women who want something healthy on the go or moms who need quick snacks for their kids, this gadget saves time and makes healthy drinking really convenient. It's also perfect for travel, hotel rooms, or gym bags. Number 4, the Smart LED Makeup Mirror with touch controls. This is one of the most loved beauty tech items. It gives perfect lighting for makeup, skincare, and even selfies. With adjustable brightness levels and multiple lighting modes like warm, cool, and natural, you can see exactly how your makeup will look outdoors, in a restaurant, or on camera. Many of these mirrors also come with magnification modes, USB charging, and a small tray for accessories. Women love it because it makes getting ready faster and more accurate. No bad lighting, no mistakes, and no guesswork. Whether it's for daily makeup, eyebrow shaping, skincare routines, or even recording beauty videos, this mirror upgrades the entire experience. Number 5, the Portable Mini Air Purifier. This is a compact but powerful device designed to clean the air in small rooms like bedrooms, offices, or kids' rooms. It removes dust, smoke, cooking smells, bacteria, pollen, pet hair, and other allergens. Women love this gadget because it helps them breathe better, sleep more comfortably, and keep their homes smelling fresh without using sprays or chemicals. It's especially helpful for people who suffer from allergies, dry air, or dust sensitivity. The device runs quietly and uses a HEPA filter to clean the air effectively. Some models even have night lights or aromatherapy features, making them perfect for bedrooms. And that brings us to the end of the list. These gadgets are popular for a reason. They help make life easier, cleaner, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly tech content. And remember, all the product links are added at the beginning of the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.